Look at this bird. Hey.
We're sitting here petting a fucking wild bird.
Hey, what's up, man?
Yeah, isn't that weird?
Hey.
Look, he's just... Johnson's petting him right now. He's just letting him pet him. It's a little canary bird.
Oh. Hey.
Yeah. Wow. Hell no, I let about 5 or 6 get off.
Yeah, we're out here on the deep sea, and isn't this weird? It's now a green bird letting us pet him, coming up, and
I mean, I'm gonna be about.
it's the weirdest thing. He's cool.
How's the kid?
Wow. Look at this. We're gonna name him Treehorn.
Yeah.
Treehorn. Hey. Hey.
Let me see one of them knives, Johnson.
Did you take that pain pill? Did that help?
Yeah. This bird. Hey.
You need to eat something. Alright. Well, look, I love you, and I'll talk to you a little bit later.
I could catch that bird for him.